Hello, I hope you're well and you're having a great day. Today I'm making a card for you. I came up with this idea just last minute and it actually came out so pretty. So I also sell my cards on Etsy if you were wondering for $5 each, and I would always love the support. So today I wanted to teach you one Farsi word. Farsi is the language of Iran that's in the Middle East, but in a continent called Asia. So June means, how do you describe it? Dear, or loved one, or sweetheart. You kind of use it at the end of somebody's name when you're trying to show affection or, that you care about them. My mom says it to me all the time. Sadaf June. So now you can practice that word and amaze people with your Farsi skills. So here I'm just layering them on top of each other, and then I cut the edges and I'll put something on top of it to continue its drying process. And then it's finished. Thank you for watching.